The Jigsaw is a very versatile tool when it comes to cutting. You can use it for straight, angled, or curved cuts, and it also works on a variety of materials. It really is a great tool for a wide range of projects like this mirror that I'm working on. And as with all tools, it's important to use the tool safely as well as have the right safety gear. And with the Jigsaw, you want to protect your eyes, you want to have some earplugs, and a dust mask. It's also important to not wear loose clothing or have dangly jewelry while you're using the Jigsaw, and you want to clamp the material that you're working on. It's also important to know your tool, and this little machine is easy to operate. It has an on-off switch, which is also your trigger, and you can adjust the speed of the saw with this dial, so you can slow things down or speed things up. That is going to allow you to have more accurate cutting. And a lot of your jigsaws are going to have dust blowers, and then there's also a light so you can see where you need to make your cut and where you're going. If you're wanting to remove more material faster, you can take advantage of these orbital settings. You're just going to get a more aggressive, rougher cut. For your angled cuts, you're going to simply adjust the pivot foot. The quick release makes it really easy to install and change out your blades. And good practice is to always make sure that your tool is unplugged as you're swapping out your blades. And you also want to make sure that you're getting blades that fit your saw. You'll notice that the different blades have different shanks on them. A great place to start is with a blade kit. That way, you get an assortment of blades that are suitable for most of the jobs you're going to want to do. And the first thing I like to do is to cut away the excess material. It just makes things a lot more manageable. And don't think that you have to cut out your design in one long continuous cut. You're actually going to come at it in small sections, making your inside cuts and really working on each detail individually. The Jigsaw really is a fun tool to use. It's portable, it's affordable, it's very manageable. You can cut just about anything with it. Imagine all the projects you can do.